Hey Badger Nation, Angie Mama Badger here in Nebraska, actually at the Stevie Foe's place. And as most of you know, we travel for a living on our motorcycles. And with traveling comes some challenges like maintenance and washing our bikes and our helmets. So stay tuned as you guys get to see what exactly we do as we are traveling across the United States. Here you go.
We're doing a 10,000 mile service.
Okay.
Happy.
Good morning. We're doing a 10,000 mile service on John's bike as requested. I'm very thankful that he has loaned us this bike. So we're taking it into Frontier Harley Davidson is it in Lincoln, Nebraska? In Lincoln, Nebraska. And then Amy and I are gonna put our bikinis on and wash the bikes later.
Stay tuned.
And she's also getting hers taken in for oil change.
Yes.
And a look over, so yay. All right, Amy and I are inside the dealership in the service department. We rolled our bikes ourselves to the service department. Inside even. That's my first.
Do you not do that?
I've never done that.
Oh.
Sonny's my mechanic. I roll my car my bike into the garage all the time.
I don't.
It's a new experience for me. She's like, what? I do this all the time.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Hey. This is fun. Next is an eye appointment.
Yes. From Miss Amy.
Yeah, she managed to get a sty or something in her eye. All that dirt and grime from the road.
From how many miles? What did I say? Just a little over 5,000.
Yes. Yeah. That's okay.
It can happen.
We're gonna get a little dirt and crime in places we don't want.
And our bikes are trash.
Yep. And then we'll wash the bikes with Norwex. I forgot to say that earlier. Norwex. So I guess we'll tell them don't wash our bikes because we're gonna do it ourselves. So we don't need a washing. Look how dirty it is.
No.
How many miles do we go on these things?
5,000? That's what mine is anyway.
Clean these babies with what? What are we cleaning them with?
So glad you asked. We're cleaning them with only water, guys. So I have an EnviroCloth, which means E for everything. Clean 99% of your home, vehicles, everything with just this and water. And then I also have a window cloth. It says window on it. But the big thing is the Norwex car wash mitt.
Hey, you got any Norwex rags for oil?
We're gonna have a talk. And then I'm also using the cream cleaner, which is a concentrated cleaning paste, if you will, of Norwex for my white walls because they're pretty dirty.
Let's clean these nasty things. Let's make them all nice and shiny for another 4 weeks on the road. Yay! Amy washing her bike. I'm gonna wash my bike. And now we got Sonny over here getting ready to do an oil change on his bike.
Alright guys, so even if you're on the road, like we're at our friends here in Nebraska, and you need an oil change, you just hop on AMSOIL. They send it right to you. Oil change kit, ready to change the oil on the bike after 5,000 miles. So pretty neat. I can get it anywhere I need to.
Just borrow your friend's garage and
right.
There you go.
Start changing oil.
Filling a bucket just with water. No soap. Just a bucket of water.
Rinse it off. There you go.
All right, look at the bucket of water. Nasty. Look at all the bugs floating in there. What are you doing?
Hey, going on break. Do you have a set of wrenches by chance?
He thought he was. And of course, we go to wash our bikes and there's dark clouds. It's Josh's fault. He brought the bad weather. It doesn't have anything to do with us washing our bikes. All right, John, I've paid Amy to wash my bike for me. No.
Well, I can only move it.
With Norwex.
Yes.
No, because it's right next to the
Old Blue Balls is gonna get washed. Mr. Stevie, we're giving the badger a blowjob.
Okay, is that hers over there? Amy, call you? Hello,
No, I'm good.
Hey guys, Amy Cavan here, Norwex Independent Sales Consultants, also known as Miss Stevie from Stevie Fo. Just got back from World Record Poker Run, over 5,000 miles ridden, and we cleaned the bike from top to bottom, white walls and all, with just water and a cloth and paste, all from Norwex. So what I did today is I put together a package, which is, this is a wash mitt. It's a car wash mitt, but I also used it to clean my entire bike with just water and this cloth. And the reason for it is Norwex has backlock technology that is embedded in the cloths themselves. And what backlock is it's an antibacterial silver that's embedded throughout the cloth. So that's what's cleaning your entire bike, your household, your vehicles, your boats, your motorcycles, everything with just water and a cloth. So today I put together the package that I use to clean my bike, so you can also take this small package on the road with you while you're traveling, and you don't have to stop at a car wash. All you need is water and the products themselves, which is very awesome. So today I have the car wash mitt, and I also have what's called the microfiber variety pack, which comes with a body cloth, which that means you can clean your entire body when you're in your hotel or if you're camping with just this and water, nothing else. Sounds crazy, but it works amazing. And then we also have your EnviroCloth to clean your windshield, your glass, your headlights, and your mirrors, and then a window cloth, which is streak free, amazing. And then also, what fell, is this is actually a dishcloth, which is pretty awesome, pretty big. You can go ahead and cut it in half or in fours, but this thing will clean off the bugs off your mirror or your mirrors and your headlights with just this and water. This can have soap on it, it won't ruin it. The other items that I just talked about cannot have any soap on it because it will ruin the silver. And you want that technology to work because then you just use water and nothing else. No chemicals or anything like that. And then if you also want to get something for your household, you can also get a different package for that.